Hey guys, American Trickster back here again. Currently, I'm recording literally the day after all.
Esther says my backroom
Let's check
stock is on
requisition.
health. Anything not on the racks, I can pull out of cargo for.
I have 9,000. I want to get this, the M51 breaching scattergun. Alright, I'm trying to get that today. Really look around anywhere I need to go. God, I got stuff on my desk already. I don't see anything. In the comments, tell me if I missed anything. So, running the same loadout, god damn, with the combat rating of 4 1/6. I'm gonna keep it a stack, bro. I be doing tricks. I'm playing. Or am I? Guess we'll never know. Alright, so we're running the same build. Actually, is there anything I can change? Muzzle brake, stability, but this has weak point damage. This increases the effective range only, though. Actually, it's digital currency. Let's see, what else can I get?
Yo,
F.
I got socks. Okay. Regulations require me to state that
Okay,
the battalion
battalion
fabricators
fabricate
may
may
not be
not
used to replicate any
replicate any
device
device
and/or
and/or
system
system that
that
has
has
not
not been licensed for
licensed for
use by
use by
Colonial
Colonial
Marine
Marine
Corps
Corps
Logistics
Logistics
Command.
Command.
And I
I
definitely don't have an unmonitored fabricator built out of spare parts stashed in a hold somewhere, because that would be wrong.
Yeah, bro. I memorized it. Want to try something new. Weak increases weak point damage, handling, and zoom magnification. Stability and handling. I'd be doing tricks on. Let me look. Climbing mag. This only increases reload speed. I don't think I really care about reload speed. Actually, I might. But fire rate and stability. Meanwhile, this has weak point damage and effective range. Fire rate and effective range would be really nice. It seems like a good, like, compensator. Drum mag. Wow. Medium ops. Cool. How much is that? 4,800? I can earn that back easily. So let's try something new. No, not the type 21. 257 medbed. So I think they slot, but they no, bruh. Go try stability, and range. I think I'm gonna go range and stability. Let me try this. Oh, yes, sir. Armat green seems nice, but I like white. White looks pretty cool. Like, white looks pretty good. And then let's check the decals, because I like going with the Wayland Yutani. Because, you know, aliens and all that. Pretty sick. I do have a say-so myself. Small optics. Effective range. And range, so that's 60% extra range. I think I'm maybe good with just a good regular, stability. No, actually, I want to go range. It seems like a good, shotgun for snipes. So I think we're going to be alright. We're going to be running Gift of Fire Advance. Are you ready? Let's go.
I don't know what we found.
Alright. So we finally have at least 3 people. Let's hope we play. We do not be doing the most randomest of shit. Y'all ready? Let's go. I don't know what we found under LV895, who built that place, or what it's for. The distortions and anomalies Cynthia started are still growing. Something's warming up. We need to know what. Get down there and find out. We also, after this, I'm pretty sure we destroy the refinery, Katanga. No, no, Cookie, no. It's just my Mountain Dew cup, limited edition from Casey's. I got 3 of them. I'm that rich motherfucker. 1, 2, 3.
The gravitational anomaly continues to intensify. Locating the source is imperative.
Listen.
Let's go,
Stay
bud.
frosty. We know there's Xenos. God knows what else Cynthia had.
And that alien equipment. Who knows what it does? Be careful.
Whoa. This is way easier.
Movement! Closing fast!
Damn. I love this. It's like my old gun, but like a slightly better. It's got faster reload, faster fire rate. I don't mind the lack of stability. Fuck off. Fuck off. I think it's faster because it's mag reload instead of shell by shell. Thank you.
Clear.
Patching up.
I'm gonna hit
What
my
are we
winning
looking
power
at in
game
here,
key.
Doc?
You don't know that's a
it could
that's a
be,
joke
I
from
mean,
Dead by
with
Daylight.
that structure.
Press E to win the game. Reference to old
I
Dead
have no
Hard.
idea.
Really? I'm just trying to make a video.
Whoever built this, they sure as hell hate straight fucking lines.
You gotta work around the
Wow.
geography.
Hey, here come our little friends!
Y'all ready? Yeah, that's my cat. He chill. Ron. James. No, I am not.
Big Bug, heading to you!
It's a warrior. Res me when you can. Yeah, there's a hell of a lot of bugs. Let's go, bot.
Endeavour just detected a burst of 511 kilo electron volt gamma rays from within the gravitic anomaly.
Yes.
Ammo drop.
Sounds like
Give me
something
the-
just turned on.
Give me the ammo. Alright, let's go.
Prowler.
I'm guessing the routes, sending you in the general direction. These halls are nuts.
See, this is why I'm bad at a lot of things. I'm just not all that aware. Oh,
Stay frosty. Look at this.
Movement, negative ID. Can you see them?
so I guess I have to go this way.
There is an instrumentality across the room.
Clean out the Xenos first. Hey, hold up and listen.
Bypassing damage.
I will try to acquire a facility layout. Hit
Ammo
only the
drop.
controls I specify.
Patching up.
Rearming.
Fireteam, set up a perimeter. It could take her a while.
Bot don't need no health.
Farthest left, center right, center top.
Sentry deployed. Mine's out.
Let's hope I don't step on a mine. I don't know if that's how it works.
Left rough.
Mine's out.
Analyzing output. Stand by.
Yeah, I think I was kind of right in that one. Hit caps lock instead of shift. Goddamn.
Grabbing ammo.
Eyes up!
Behind us. Be careful. Did I? Alright, so that's what that does. Cool. I kind of assumed it's red, it's glowing.
Big nasty!
What is that, warrior? A drone? big crunchy one.
Grabbing ammo.
I could only find a local map.
Incoming! Across the bridge!
Up. Minigun. Come on, smart gun for the fucking win. Let's go.
Yo, Honecker, anything you can tell us about who built this place?
Yeah, those controls you used seem partly biological. I wonder how much.
Patching up.
I have a feeling we're gonna go up against a warrior soon, so. Oh, what? What?
Signal, get a camera on. Missed them.
I saw no evidence of xenomorph physiology.
Maybe it's local life? Or rats. Pala Station had rats.
Get eyes on this.
More bugs! They're coming over the center pipes!
Cool.
Ammo drop.
Grabbing ammo.
There is an unusual power signature nearby, similar to emissions within the anomaly. Might you set up a scanner?
I wonder if I can jump the hole.
The structure on
No,
the
I can't.
ceiling. Over the scanner.
Belay that! Bugs inbound!
I think this may be my new favorite shotgun. We have a bit less oomph to it.
Check 6!
Lines out. Lines out.
So, what's that on the ceiling?
A biological energy capacitor. A living battery.
Living battery. Huh.
We're near the end of the layout Esther grabbed. Use the, squishy thing.
Farthest left, center right, center top. Stand by. Recording the output.
I mean, we already got the secret cache, no use exploring. Going up against the crunchy ones. Why can't I? Yeah, I was just about to say, like, I'm trying to aim. Why can't I do that?
Grabbing ammo.
Spitters are currently our biggest threat.
Again, I fear I could only extract a local layout.
She's modest. A good university department would take months to do that.
Come on, buds.
Ammo
Dish.
drop.
Cloud reload.
Ammo drop.
Let's go.
Hit the door.
The map seems to label the section ahead Basket of the Heavenly Traveler.
We must be missing some context. Can I see?
Looks like a control center.
No, careful. That's an anthropomorphic assumption.
Ammo drop.
Bypassing damage.
Aid kit's here.
Bypassing damage.
Patching up. You got aid kits here. Who needs an aid kit?
Catching up.
Come on, bud. Oh no. I'm not healing the alpha. No.
Grabbing ammo.
Could you obtain a LiDAR sweep of the presumed control center?
You got Xenos all over.
Sentry
Closing.
active.
Hit the floor.
You know, I have a feeling this build will be
Xeno drone.
all I have to do is shoot in their general direction.
Lines out.
Hit 3. Let's see how effective these are. Jesus Christ. Wait, does this just have infinite ammo? Or am I just tweaking? I'll say, where's the refill box?
Warrior!
Grabbing ammo.
Assistance required.
Patching up.
Literally in this double digits. No, that's not really all that good.
Bypassing death.
One more warrior!
This is... Why are there so many? I know it's a stupid question. Why don't they just deploy the scanner and leave the room? Oh yeah, Xenos and shit don't run from danger.
Grabbing ammo.
Ammo drop.
That's it. That's all of them. Madre de Dios.
Catching up.
I believe I have deciphered the controls. Try that.
That's a big-ass door.
That's a ship. Right?
It is the source of the gravitational distortions.
Cynthia's asset 0. That's where we're headed, Fireteam.
That's a shit from Prometheus. What the fuck? Let's go.
We haven't forgotten about all that missing pathogen, right?
No, I don't think so, baby. Cool. Finish by the hour. Twilight V4. That's a DMR. Weighted chamber. Reps clip. Tubular magazine. USCAM beanie red. And phosphorus popper mine. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm maxing out classes. Had most of my kills with 189, second amount of assists, did the most amount of damage, most amount of headshot kills, most amount of damage taken with minimal revives. I had 47.1 shot accuracy. Cool. Head back to base. Bye-bye. On edge. I'm playing. What the hell? Blackout curtains are magical, everybody. It looks like I'm about to go to bed in here when really it's like, what, 3 p.m., 4 p.m.? I don't remember. It's noon. Fucking noon. That's pretty cool. I like black. A bit more. But hey, could I have maybe fixed something? I'm gonna keep my regular beanie. Yeah, I don't need to shake it up. Come on. Come here, Honecker.
So, Esther said I should explain the pathogen for you. The genetically engineered mutagen Paula Station experimented with. Wayland Yutani provided a jar of it, but never said where they got it from. Now I know it was from those ruins you found.
Cool.
The animals we used pathogen on got faster, stronger, more durable. but crazy aggressive too. The company wanted financially viable mutations. When Administrator Bellows arrived, he had pathogen tested on xenomorphs, and that's when everything went off the rails. That was the lab's consensus theory. Genetically engineered nanobiotech, definitely artificial, unbelievably complex. Way beyond any technology they'd seen. Someone designed it to do what it does. Someone a hell of a lot smarter than us. Never. Matthews thought its ability to enter cells was blocked or inhibited by polysaccharides, cell walls, like in plant or fungal life. Animal species never have cell walls, at least none we've seen. That's been true on every planet we've surveyed. We didn't get a choice. Bellows put his own synths in charge of security. He had xenoeggs. He could have done whatever he wanted with us. If it makes any difference, the last surviving pathogen experiment was Monica. The gray-striped xeno you killed on Katanga. We never found a way to safely dispose of it. Critters mutated by it we could kill. Pathogen itself? I don't know. The safest thing is to leave it in those jars. They're pretty tough. That was the lab's consensus theory. Wow. Genetically, well, they couldn't figure out why mutations weren't 100% consistent. It was Etienne who came up with the theory that pathogen can blend the host's DNA with that of viruses or bacteria in their body. Sure, you gotta be busy. Anytime you want to talk about pathogen or anything, I'll be here.
Bye, Doc. Thought you were just uptight, dude.
Yo, anything not on the racks, I can pull out of Cargo 4.
I want to try something new. But yet again.
Yo, I think we've acquired a few things you'll find interesting.
Let's check this. Protective headset. Oh, shit. Terminator. Give me cash. 1-900 cash now. Specialist shield helmet. Seeks and cap. Alphatech. Cowboy hat. Cowboy hat. That looks sick. Tempted. Decals. Need some decals. Pest control, no refunds, bad call, spray and pray. ICC, UK 7. F. Not F, R. The UPP flag. Nuke from orbit. Guess I got Nostromo. Check my loadout. Check. Nostromo. Let's go, bud. Now I got the dumpy and the shit cuff. Anyways, catch you guys in the next one. Bye.